What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm hiding in this wee alleyway. We're up at the farm, so there is probably going to be a bit of wind noise up here today. As much as the weather's lovely, it's a beautiful day, it's still very, very windy. We're up at the farm because we've got a wee job to do on a van, and if I'm honest, it's a bit rough. But the customer wants us to have a wee look at it. He wants us to get it running again, get it through an MOT. But yeah, we might have a work cut out for us on this one, so let's go and have a wee look at it. Charlie's already getting involved. He's in there swapping the battery on it now. So let's go and see what he's up to, and we'll have a look at the van. Here we go guys, take a wee look at this gem. It's a bit on the crusty side. It's been sitting for a long time. It's got a little pond, little nature reserve in there. Look at the inside of this. It's ripped to bits. Heater controls are gone. Charlie's already in here swapping out the battery. See if we can get it to start. Because if we can't get it to start and move under its own steam, there's no point in trying to MOT it. So that's the first job on the list. But, oh man, it's broken tail light as well. Some moss. It's definitely seen better days, but we'll see what we can do. We did actually get it running, but then it cut out and it's not started again yet. So we're going to get a wee minute and then see if we can start it up again. How long do you reckon this has been lying?
2 years, 3.
It's got to be at least 2 or 3 years, isn't it? Keep going, pal.
Hard.
I know. No power steering. Get the big arm goals, Charlie. Almost there.
That's it.
Good lad. So we got it running, finally, after God knows. Power steering works now, Charlie.
Say it's been about an hour.
111,000 miles. It's manky inside. I'm surprised it's running so nice now that it's going, but boy have we found a list on this. I've got 2 pages of stuff here. I don't think this is ever going to be...
Look at the horse.
Oh yeah.
Show the horse.
Big horse. Yeah, I don't think this is ever going to be a retail van. I think looking at the condition of it and all the stuff that needs...
There's too much work in it. It's unmovable at the moment, so how would you even get it to a
Yeah, the clutch pedal's seized. I've had a quick look and it looks like the clutch fork seized in the gearbox. It could also have a seized release bearing. So we've not even tried to move it yet. So we don't know if the brakes are any good, but looking at the brakes, they're in terrible state. It's got snapped handbrake cables as well. we can't roll the van, even though the handbrake's been left off, we can't roll it, it's completely seized.
All the tyres are messed up except that one back one, right?
No, even that one's got a slit. So realistically it needs 4 tyres. So yeah, I think I'm going to check what these vans go for. And then I'll work out what all the parts and all the time and all the labour's going to come to. But realistically I don't think this is worth doing. I think this is I think this one needs to go
For the bin.
in the bin.
In the bin.
In the bin!
The engine management light's on, so before we do anything else I'm going to plug the Topdon on quickly. We'll run a quick health check on it, and we'll see roughly what might be causing it, just so we can get a rough idea of whether this van's worth fixing or not. I've been going through working out some of the list just to see if I could get some prices for some stuff, how much the van's valued at. Right guys, there we go. I've run a health report on the Topdon and it's came up with a load of different faults. Some of them will be voltage related because the battery was low, but the ones that I'm concerned about are the pre-post heating control relay. That might be an easy fix. The EGR valve, that's a common fault that you find on a lot of diesels. That could be causing the problem. The immobiliser, the flow signal, the brake switch, they're probably all just voltage related. So I think the engine control light's on because of the EGR fault, but without going too far in depth, we don't know if a good clean will fix it or if we'll just clear the faults and leave it. But I've worked out the prices on the rest of the stuff, and so far, I mean, it's coming to about £2,000 worth of work, and that's even if we don't have to take the gearbox out.
It's 2.5.
Yeah.
2,355.
And we've got a seized clutch pedal. That might just be the fork. We might end up having to take the gearbox out, so that'll be even more money. So yeah, I think this one, I think we're done with this.
Yeah.
I think we'll leave this one well alone. Let's go and tell Kenny the good news. Guys, Topdon again, brilliant tool. If you need one, I'll leave a link in the description for one. I've spoke to Topdon because the link they gave me the last time didn't work, so I'm going to put another link I've got in. I don't think it's on sale at the moment, but I'll find the best price possible and put it in there. And if Topdon get back to me with another link, I'll obviously update you guys, and we'll try and get you a discounted one. So guys, that's it. We've had a wee chat with Kenny. We've been through everything with him, and he's decided that, like I thought, he's decided that it's just not worth it, because there's still a lot of unknowns with the EGR fault, the clutch pedal, all that stuff, the brake calipers. So although we've given him a rough price at the minute, it could still very easily end up more than that. So the van's just not worth it, because it's not exactly a minter. There's a lot of bodywork needing done in it, so he's decided that he's just going to call it a day and scrap it. So yeah, that'll unfortunately be the end of our adventure with the van. We'll not be doing any repair work on it, which I thought might have been the case, but never mind, it's always worth checking. So just a wee quick video. We're just getting sort of back into it after being no well for the last week. So yeah, thanks again for watching guys, and we will be back to normal. I know we had some time off, but we were pretty poorly. It wasn't very good, and we're just starting to get back into it now, and it's still still knocking my pan in a wee bit, to be fair. But yeah, we're getting back to it guys. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next week.